Hey yo, welcome back everybody. I don't know what happened to my video, but I should be back in a second. All right, I'm back. Sniped, holy shit. Welcome, M Joyful. Just a little Sunday stream. Not a little probably, but we're gonna just take a look at some embedded stuff. You should see my table right now, man. It's just crazy. I have so many things on my desk. I'll show you actually. 1 second. I'll just show you. I need to update the IP of my Droid cam. We should see it in a second, hopefully. Come on, just come back here. Just as I was going to sleep, for real. I know you've been crazy about the embedded shit, for real, man. Look at what I have. Look at all the stuff that I have. It's a nice thumbnail, by the way. So I have bought some sensors now. We will probably try them out today. You should see what I'm running on this thing. This is gonna blow your mind. I have so many batteries now because I am trying to like build a demo. So you know, preparing for that. I'll probably build something either on these breadboards, these little ones. I have all the colors, man. I have all the colors. Look, I have a black breadboard. What do you want? Okay, what else do you want? Black breadboard. So I'll probably build some demos. We have Ferris over here. Hello. So yeah, I have so many things on my desk now, which is interesting because it's getting crowded. Almost got me whipping out my older stuff and all that as well. Yeah, it's so fun to deal with these stuff, man. It is so fun. But let me actually show you what I have been working on for the past days. I mean, I already live streamed it for like 4 hours, but I probably spent like at least 8 more hours on this off the stream. So let me just show you. Hello, welcome. S tier mid. I don't know, I probably butchered your name. So guys, I'm building this slideshow PowerPoint TUI, like embedded slideshow. Okay, I don't know what to call it. I have no idea. It's just some cool thing that I'm gonna present on. Okay, for now I just call it rat deck because, you know, it's slide deck, but it's ratified. All right, guys, check this out. Should probably just make it like this so that you can actually see it. I don't know. Come on. All right, it's hard to read probably. It's hard to read probably. Imagine this in a better lightning. Right now it's so weird. Anyway, so yeah, these are basically my slides, by the way. I don't want to spoil it that much, but I'm gonna just show you a couple of ones. It actually reads quite well. To be honest, it's surprising. I was not expecting this to be this readable, but anyways, there you go. That's me, just chilling with the rat. So yeah, the rest is just the slides. I won't show them to you. Those no spoilers, guys. Okay, no spoilers. If you wanna see the slides, come to the conference. Anyways, I could probably show you, but I want to show you one more cool thing. 1 second. Of course, you can render all like images and stuff. Look at this. Just look at this. You probably cannot see the text, but it says from servers to toasters. And these are all Ratatouille, by the way. Do I have to say that every time now? No, probably not. There's another cool animation thing. 1 second. No, there's that. So yeah, guys, I'm working on this. I'm preparing my slides now, and we're gonna present on this. I think it looks pretty cool now. I need to put this in a like a probably a breadboard or something. So I'm gonna do that later. But yeah, working on this now. Also a bunch of other stuff. So we have this other app which I'm planning to work on today. Here's my screen. So we have these little screens, right? These are like the smallest size ever, probably. So let me power it on. This is like a little Morse code app, and it just works by pressing this button. So today I want to basically use the sensor right here. Let me just show you what I have here. So this is an accelerometer sensor. So we're gonna basically use this, and I am planning to first read the values and maybe build a little app, like a step counter app from this, if possible. Of course, wipe coded. I don't have time to figure out all the algorithms or whatever. So that's the plan. Also, I'm not gonna use this tiny screen for that. I will probably use the other one that I have, which is this one, because I think in the demo, if I use this one, it's gonna be like so small, like you won't be able to see it, and all the other components will be super huge compared to that. So let me just restart this. So I'll probably use this one instead of this one, but I will build another little circuit or board where I'm using this one as well. And for the batteries, I have these small batteries, so it's gonna be portable. So let's just switch to this screen now and try to use this sensor and just put everything together. So that's the plan. Let me switch to my other scene 1 second. In other news, I still don't know what I'm doing, so if you have any ideas, like if you know better than me, you might. Of course, I'm not the smartest or the most skilled human being ever, so please just let me know about your ideas. We had this Excalibur board in the last session, I think. Not the last one, but like 2 live streams before. I think we had this. If I could find it though, maybe it was this one. No, not this one. I'll try to find it. So in that board we kind of, is it the same one? Nope. We did like a little brainstorming. Nope, this is not the one as well. I'll show you. I have the image. 1 second. Yeah, so we had this board where basically we talked about possible projects that we could do with this this little screen, and one of them was accelerometer. You put into your bag and measure how jittery you've been all day. This is a good idea. The other one is Morse translator. We already did that with the little screen. Cheese locator could be fun. So I'll basically just combine all these ideas, guys. I'll just do everything because why not? So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll probably disable my droid cam for now. And yeah, the slideshow tool is coming along great. Like I said, you've seen it. Oh, I also need to show you some other cool thing that I did with that, which is the simulator. So if you're thinking it's just painful to prepare slides with this, it's not, because you have the simulator. This is the exact same thing I'm rendering on this display, so I could just like prepare everything, the slides from here, and just flash it, and then it works. So we have the simulator now as well, which is great. The slides are looking like this, just marked down, basically marked down, nothing fancy. And I also added these special comments, like this background comment. For example, if you change it to some supported background, let's do hyper for example, you'll see that it's gonna change the background. So I have these special commands implemented as well. There's so many things in there, man. I spent so much time on that. So you know, like you have this nice background, and all of this is rendered with Ratatouille, of course. So yeah, that's the slide thing. Let's go back to TUI for a second. That's what we're gonna work on today. Oh, I just realized we can basically go to Ratatouille to 0.30 now. Oh, no, not really. Oh, sorry, the mouse hood, we cannot really update it yet. I need to update the dependency at some point. But yeah. So in the main, what I want to do is, first of all, I'm gonna update the display size. This display size is too small. So let me actually take a step back and just make some notes here. Actually, I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT something. So in this app, what are we gonna have? I'm building an embedded Ratatouille app. It will include Morse code, translator, accelerometer. I don't know how to type that in, so I'm just gonna do accel sensor and maybe step counter or something. Cheese locator, some abstract demo, maybe a fractal explorer, plus some cool Ratatouille widget demos. So what would you call this little gadget? Prefix or suffix with rat, and make a word play if possible. Because I'll create a new project now. I'll basically copy the old entry source code into something new. I need a new name for this. I'm thinking it really sounds like a Swiss Army knife thing, but let's see what ChatGPT thinks. And also, if you have any question, any recommendations, questions, or whatever, just let me know. I know I'm going all in. I'm super locked in right now, but feel free to just stop me and just like ask something or just say something. Rat pack, rat box, rat unit, rat deck. I already used that. Rat playground. Rat kit. That's actually fun. I kind of like that one. Cheese OS. No, Rattech is no, not that one. Ratkit is cool. Is cool. Hello, welcome. Hi guys, hello, welcome to the stream, guys, welcome. You guys have missed all the cool stuff, but I'm gonna just show you a little. I'll just run the simulator. I'm gonna just fix my video in a second. So, ChatGPT vibing. Guys, check this out. I'm gonna just hypnotize all of you in the chat now and everyone will just start building TUIs. That's my only goal here. Keep looking at the this circle that is circling. The circle do be circling, man. Ratkit UI. Anyways, maybe something with rat suffix too. I'm gonna just create the project with ratkit for now. Ratkit. Let's just create it here. Ratkit. Gonna rename this. Let's build it as well. Rust is too hard. What do you mean, man? It's definitely not too hard. Maybe it's hard, but no, not too hard. Come on. Come on. What are you building? I'm just building some embedded stuff. Look at this. Wait. Activate. What happened to my droid cam? What happened to my droid cam? One second. I don't know what happened to my droid cam. You should see it here. What is going on? Okay, droid cam is not responding, guys. Something is wrong here, but I'll just show you. So I have these I'm gonna build some TUI app for this. We have this accelerometer sensor, so I'm basically gonna use that and do a little demo app in that. Basically, I'm gonna have to go to sleep soon, but I'm working on a game and I think it'll be peak for real. It's just Chantrix in a TUI, but I think it's a very fun game. That sounds very cool, man. You should send me the link to the repo or something when you share it. It's gonna be pretty good. I tried to write a simple kernel module with Rust and it was harder than C, you're right. Hell yeah, breadboard. Love the breadboard stuff. So okay, we're just gonna go with Ratkit. So Ratkit is building. I don't know what the size for this display actually. Like this is probably I have no idea actually. You kind of like throw away the package. Maybe I could just find it from here. I think we found it. What does it say? 128 by 64. 128 by 64, okay. 128 by 64. Let's try to use that. Where is it? It should have the size somewhere. Where is it? 40. Yeah, display size 128 by 64. I see your GitHub and your Rust contributions. I got some small Rust projects too, and you're really good, man. 90% of the time I just don't know what I'm doing, but thank you. Very humble, very honest reaction. I don't know, I'm just building stuff and hoping that things will get better, you know. That's the only thing that we can do, otherwise you'll just caught up in the existential crisis. Sorry, that was dark. I was not being serious there. What's up? Hello, Sleepy Dev. What's going on? How's it going? Okay, guys, how do we flash this? So I have the board, you know, this is RP2040, by the way. I'm using RP2040, and before that I should just show the new viewers what I have built in the last 2 days. Guys, check this out. This is for the new guys who just tuned in, okay? You should see this. So I'm building this slideshow tool using Ratatouille, of course, and right now it's coming along great. This is the exact same thing that you just seen in the simulator, and yeah, I'm not gonna spoil the whole talk because I'm still working on the slides, but there you go, just a little taste of what I've been doing. And okay, let me just skip these things. There's one other crazy animation that I want to show you. Not the animation actually, but like I built these custom backgrounds, so those are pretty cool. Of course you can render images and everything too. Okay, we have this one, and we have another one. I'm gonna just refine these animations a little bit, but there's this cool looking thing. And yeah, that's the big project. Now we're just working on the small one, which is actually more feature packed, but yeah. And we are right now running stuff on this display, basically. So probably need to restart my webcam again because it's lagging. But okay, what the hell I was doing? Kind of forgot. So yeah, I need to flash this now. Let me just do that. Why can't I do that? It's a bit weird, but anyways, so we're gonna mount that. This is how you flash, by the way. You just mount it and then run this command. And then it just flashes and you get something out of here probably, and you gotta unmount it as well, of course. Let me just do that. And yeah, there you go, we have a full screen now. Like, this is now working properly. I should probably like center the text on here. Right now this is running a Morse code app. I should center the text. But before that, let me actually reset my webcam because it's lagging a bit. Give me a second, guys. I'll be back. So now it should be all good. Cool. So what are we doing here? Basically, I want to refactor this app a little bit, because right now it's just like a bit all over the place. Are you a Nix user? Sounds like he's a Nix user, because I mean, his nickname is literally Unix BSD. It would be interesting if he wasn't. So we have the buzzard there and some words and stuff. I want to let me just add the source actually. I want to use the sensor. What's the name of this is again? MPU 650. So this is what we have. Probably have enough inputs and outputs for this. Don't mention Nix, it will crash the stream, dude. I'm sorry. The last time I mentioned Nix, the whole like audio thing just broke. So yeah, you should write. You are right. You are right. I should not mention Nix. He's a former blank user, by the way. Why former? It's good. It's good. I mean, it's good. If it's former, it's good. I don't know. Sermons, welcome, by the way. How are you doing? We have. So let me just give my whole setup to ChatGPT, or maybe we could just like vibe code it. Okay, let's just do this. How can I integrate? How can I use MPU 650 with this setup and just read values? I'm trying to build something like a step counter. He's a blank user trying to drag me into it, but nah, not happening. Hopefully it happens one day. Just use Arch, man. If you don't use Arch, what are you doing with your life? That was a very controversial take. If you're not using Arch, you should be using TempleOS. And if you're not using both of them, what are you doing? Is my question. Clip that and post it on YouTube. I guarantee 10k views. I'm great. Or what are we doing? The step counter idea from before. Yeah, I decided to do that, and I want to like make a rat kit now. Rat kit meaning that it's gonna be like a lot of apps in one display. Hello, long time no see. We talk on Discord every day, man. What do you mean? Hello, welcome, Vaishno. Arch propaganda. Shingo, what up, man? Long time no see. No, we literally talk on Discord every day, but welcome, Shingo. How's it going? Unix BSD has custom Nix motion. Guys, please, let's not talk about the N-word here. Okay, N-word is banned in this live stream because last time I mentioned the N-word, I almost got my whole setup broken. Okay, if you watch if you watch that stream, you know some weird shit happened. So let's not be racist and let's not use the N-word here. Sorry, and let's not be Nixist and let's not use the N-word. I think the best OSs are TempleOS and BSDs. You got a Discord, brother. Literally, that's on my thumbnail. Like, no, sorry, not the thumbnail. That I shared everywhere. There's no way that you didn't see the Discord server URL. It's literally everywhere. On my channel, if you go to my channel, there's a whole ass banner about Of course, I'm gonna share, brother. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everyone is welcome to our Discord. Wait, I fucked up. That's not the right URL. I don't even know the correct URL of my Discord. Wait. Okay, there you go. No worries, man. I'm just joking. All right, guys. Welcome to. Everyone's welcome to my Discord. I'm doing good. Good to hear, Shingo. That's great. Invalid invite. I have no idea. It should be good. Okay, maybe we just close the memberships or something. This is a very private, it's like Fight Club, you know. But the invite should be valid. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So we only need STA and SCL again, which is nice. Oh, we need that module now. So we have it, MPU 650. Nice. Yeah, I think so. Anyone else facing invalid invite? Sometimes Discord is a bit weird. Sometimes I just get this randomly too, so maybe try with VPN or something. I have no idea. Maybe it's actually invalid, but the last time I checked it was supposed to work. So get ACC angles, get temp, get gyro. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I could just use those methods. Is this thing even maintained? Invalid invite. Guys, I don't know. I can check after the stream probably. It's a bit weird because this is for Linux. But anyways, I need an I2C setup. Okay, that's easy. And then we just can read stuff like that. Okay, so MPU get ACC. That's quite easy actually. That's very easy to do. I like that. What are the other pins though? Because it just says like 2 pins. What are the X stuff? Why? Let me just actually copy this response. Why just use SDA and SCL? How about the X ones? But I have like XSDA, XSCK or some stuff like that, so I'm just curious now. Why do we have those? It's a digital sensor. I changed my network and it works now. Yeah. Happens. It's Discord mess. Okay, those are just data then. Okay, so let's do that. In radkit integrate MPU 630 sensor and do a I need another button to switch to another menu. Damn, a lot of things to do. Integrate that, add another button input, switch to another menu when pressed. When switched to that menu, simply show the 60-50 values and do a basic step counter. Use the MPU 650. Am I using the same thing? Okay, yeah, 650. Create. Here's some basic explanation. Alright, just gonna wipe code it like that. Show and tell channel only for Ratworks or any project welcome. I have something interesting that I built this morning. Any project is welcome, bro. If you built something that you want to show and tell, just paste it there. It's all good. Grindhouse is for anything you're grinding on. That sounds a bit sus, but yes, yeah. I'm grinding on CNA Arch 64 assembly posting. Yeah, do it, man, do it. Just let us know what you're doing. So guys, let's solder the pins because we need to do that. We need to solder these guys. I'm not sure if I want to like do it like this or with this. Probably I will use these pins. Like I want to be straight here. I still don't know how this guy does codecs in Neofim. It's the mystery of the universe, man. I'm so like, I don't know, advanced to do that. No, it's just like codecs admin plugin, man. Come on. What should be the placement for this? Like, should it be like should I place it like this on the board, or is it supposed to be like this, or how should this thing look actually? I don't know. I'll just ask that too. What should be is it better if I place the sensor 90 degrees to the breadboard, or just lay it flat, or what should I do? Neovim setup from scratch tutorial needed. I need that tutorial as well. My setup is just like some pre-made config. Normal ones are better. Please do not use the bent ones unless you have no other choice. It usually breaks pretty easily, and also try to keep the small part of the pin on the top, as in insert the pins from the bottom. Okay. Parallel, okay. Okay, that's good. We could do that. It already integrated that. Okay, that was actually quick. Does it spin delay? What is that? Okay, it kind of did something. I'll try in a second. Let me check if it actually builds first. Doesn't build. That's great. To update the dependency version. MPU. In the meantime, I gotta turn on my solder iron. Solder time, guys. soldering. Let's go. What is going on? No idea. Run cargo build. Okay, you just kind of deal with that now. So guys, what we're doing is basically we don't use this one. We don't use the bent ones. We just use the usual. I'm just blind, I can't do this. Okay, there you go. We're just gonna use this, and yeah, codex is pretty nice these days. Probably need to somehow make it stable on some surface so that it's easier to solder. So I'm thinking I could just like do a little platform over here and just place it there and then solder it like that. Oops, no, that's not gonna work actually. I need to make like a little platform, you know. Maybe I could just like use the actual Rust mascot Ferris to do that. Guys, Rust is useful for everything. Come on, check this out now. Nope. Yeah, it might work like this, I think. If I place this here. Yeah, I think it works. Guys, this is how we're gonna solder now. Okay. There you go. You're insane. I like that. I like that comment about my live stream. So I'm just gonna pin that. Oh my god, that's so funny. This is why I'm living, okay? To hear that. Amazing. Okay, so waiting for background terminal. What is going on, man? What is going on, really? Embedded hull bus. Yeah, that's not a fridge magnet, but what do you call it? The thing that you you just put it on your just like on your clothes, like on your t-shirt. It has a needle and some, I don't know what. Guys, help me out. No, not a keychain. What is that thing called? Badge. Yeah, badge. Yeah. I don't know, my brain just stopped there. Anyways, you should have a pretty good soldering station now. It's very, yeah, pin and clasp, some like that. It's very advanced. So let me get my stuff. Hopefully I won't burn myself to death while doing this, but it's gonna be fine. 1 second. I have the very high quality dropped, so I kind of lost the connection to my Droid cam, but I should be back now. Anyways, 1 second, I'm gonna refresh my tab over here. So guys, I have two solder iron solders. I have two solders. I don't know what these are called. So one of them is high quality and the other one is very shitty quality, and I don't know which one is which. So we're gonna just YOLO this, okay? Okay, actually you can pick. You can pick the soldering iron. One or two. One is on the left and the two is on the right. One or two, guys. Which one should I go for? Come on, be quick. One. Okay, we're going with the first one. Okay, thank you. Left. Okay, we're going with the first one. I trust you, guys. I trust you. Sermons, I'm sorry this time. Want to the second one. Okay, sermons. My bad, brother. Okay, let's go, guys. It's gonna be so shitty now. Alright. Ferris, are you ready? This is gonna be dangerous, okay? It's gonna be really dangerous for you. But I don't care, bro. You've been through a lot of dramas. You've been through a lot of shit. Actually, this is not very comfortable. It's quite uncomfortable right now. For me. It's absolutely the worst way to solder. Guys, this is the shitty one, probably. You're just locking in, man. It's going not that bad right now. I could probably zoom in for you a little bit. Unsafe, absolutely. This is the real unsafe rust. This is the real unsafe rust, guys. Forget about the unsafe block. This is the real deal right now. What you're seeing right now is like life is unsafe type shit. It's not like some compiler safety. This is not memory safety. You could lose all the memories, you know. You could lose your whole life of memories now. This is memory unsafety. Could just, like, you know, whole thing could just go away. Mad soldering skills, man. No, not really. Come on, man. We picked the wrong one, by the way. This is so shitty. It doesn't even stick. Actually, let me just go with the second one and see if it's gonna make any difference. Come on, come on. Look, it doesn't even melt. What the hell? Oh my god. I was just gonna solder like 6 pins. This took forever. Come on. Just melt. Something's really wrong here. Oh my god. We don't need Ferris anymore. Actually, give me a second. I'm just gonna fix this and come back, because I cannot see when it's on the other side of the table. Alright, we should be good now. Should have gone with the 2. Yeah, salmons, you're right, man. Okay, there you go. It's not bad. I think it's pretty good. Ferris. This is the thumbnail. I think it looks pretty good. Like, look. Okay, that's the end of the stream, guys. This was it. Thank you so much for joining. I'm just kidding. Okay, what are we doing? We have this thing now. I need to plug it into somewhere. Switch to my other webcam. It's lagging again, man. Why is my USB bus is so weird? Okay, so cargo build succeeded. Could probably now just flash it and see it for ourselves, but I need to wire the button now. Tell me the connections that I need to make now. It uses the embedded HAL 2 0.2 version that is not compatible with the latest version. Oh, okay. So wait, that's very good insight, by the way. Thank you. MPU. Okay, what are we using? Embedded HAL 0. Oh, okay. That is why. Okay, thank you. Wow. Very interesting. Why is it like that? Is there an issue for that? This library is compatible. Can you send if you send a link, we don't see it. Can you just type in the name of the crate maybe? Because I mean, I don't see the links, but there must be a maintained one MPU. What was it? 650. Let's check it out. What did you build? I already started this. I don't even remember starting it. Nice. I'll probably check it out. Examples. Why is this a sub-module? Okay, very cool. So let me do the connections now. More button, menu button. I need to just take a look at the assets again, just for the pinouts. So I need to connect a bunch of things now. Let's just do that. I will make sure that this is disconnected. The first pin is ground, I think. So basically gonna just split that to here. And this is 3.3 volts. Let's just split those things. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, 3.3 volts. That's just there. And then we're gonna just take a bunch of jumper cables. We connect these things to here. Ground. VCC. Need more cables. I need another button now. Damn. That's the microcontroller RP2040. I need another button. This is what I have, guys. I need to just find a button from here. Okay, got it. Gonna place it next to the other one. I'm gonna pick another jumper cable. So the pin for the button is GPIO3, which is next to the other one. It's just here, basically. We just connect it to here. And the other part goes to the ground. Guys, if you want me to keep building these things, please sponsor me on GitHub so that I can buy more jumper cables. Thank you so much. I just had to say it, man. Okay. Ground. That goes to ground. Cool. So for the sensor, man, I'm just running out of space here. Maybe I could just do it on a separate breadboard. I think it makes sense to do it here. So basically 3.3 volts and ground. 2 more jumper cables. Just 2 more, please. Okay, those are ones. Ground, let me not fuck this up. First of all, let me just be careful here because otherwise things will be bad. Okay, that's okay. Paris, please move away. So let me double check it. Okay, trust me, it's gonna be fine. Trust me. And then we need another one. Actually, I could just use these ones. Maybe if I had the longer one, it could be better. This one and where is it? Give me another long jumper cable, please. Okay, there you go. Found 2. So why do you need an MPU 650 presentation tool? I joined last step counter, but doesn't know how it's related to presentation. Yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with the presentation. I just wanted to build this demo. This is a separate thing. I just want to like build like all-in-one little Ratatouille app so that I can show people what they can do with this. So it's for the demonstration purposes. Also, I think it's just cool and I just wanna do it. The presentation tool is entirely separate. So there's like three things in the wait, I cannot find a jumper cable. I cannot find another one. Damn. Okay, fuck, I just give up. I'll just use the shorter ones. Okay, these are... Wait, where do they go? I just had them in my hand. Okay, I'll just use shorter ones. So I have three things that I'm building. I'll just show you here. Go back to my screen. I don't know if you see the workspace But we have TUI, which is the smallest TUI ever. We have Ratdeck, the presentation tool, and Ratkit. So 3 things. I'm building 3 apps. Okay, let me just hook this up. So what do I need to do? GPIO 0, 1. I think those are already occupied now. Wait, what? Wait, what the hell? Shared with the display? How does it even work? I'm using the same pins for these? What? Shared IC2? I2C, sorry, not IC2. What the hell? We could share them? I'm so confused now. How does this even work? Why now? Do you know what is going on here? How does it even work? Oh, each one has an address, okay. So... Oh, interesting. I didn't know this was possible. So I just connected the same things then. That's actually easy. Oh, I was not showing my screen, sorry. I was just taking a look at the shared I square C, I power of 2C. So when the control check each address, it uses the data for the address. Embedded help bus. Am I not using that already? Let me just disable my video for a second. Am I not using that? Okay, I see what you're saying. Gotta go. Thank you for the streams you offer. No worries, man. Thanks for joining and thanks for questions and thanks for being here. Appreciate your existence. I cannot really say your name, but Binot Leah. Yeah, thank you. Shouldn't have tried. Use embedded hull bus for shared I2C. Let's try it. Let's just try it, guys. This MPU library is probably gonna crash again. MPU. What's the version? I'm learning something new every day, man. I'll just love these streams. Sometimes feel like I don't know anything, and that feeling is great. Because, you know, I know everything. 99% of the time. I'm just joking. It's 100%. Okay, what is going on? Yeah, it's just compatibility issues again. It's just compatibility issues again. Now it kind of works, but yeah. I don't know. I'll just trust this. I'll just trust this. So going back to the wiring, we basically go ahead and use the same stuff as the display, right? Let me just do this. First of all, I have to find some cables, of course. Jumper. Let's just jump from breadboard to breadboard. Let's go. So SCL. Maybe I shouldn't have done this, man. It's getting too complex. If I cannot make this thing work without vibe coding, I will just give up on it, by the way, because I have other stuff to build. I was just hoping that this would be easy to do, but yeah. So SDA is going to GPIO 0. SDA. That is the black one. So SDA is the black one. Okay. I wired it up, man. I wired it up, so I don't know. Let's just give it a go. Let's just try to run it now. So many freaking cables. Wait, I plugged in the wrong thing. Oh my god. What did I do? I accidentally pressed enter 100 times. Okay, flashed. And what is going on? We have some lighter action going on over here. We have the Ratworks thing running on the screen. Seems like the app is running. Oh, okay, we're getting some stuff. We're getting some stuff, guys. I'll actually read from the screen. Okay, motion, we cooking. So I'm gonna, what are we reading? MPU 650. Some coordinates. So I'm gonna move the thing a little bit. I'm gonna move it a little bit. I think it works, guys. I think we cooked here. I think we cooked. So steps 1. I swear to God, I didn't go anywhere. But okay. Here's some kind of okay. Steps 2. Guys, it's working. It's working. I'm stepping. If I shake it, it just increments. But okay, I mean, we got something. Motion, man. We're in motion, man. Let's go. Okay, really basic step counter. We have built. I think it's valid. I approve it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. My video is lagging and Guys, give me a second. Let me just restart my USB stuff again. Oh my. I should be back now with a non-laggy camera. Okay, there you go. So, okay, that worked. No idea. Let's just move on from that. I might possibly improve the app there. Rat. Okay, let's change the title of the app actually. Motion. Rat motion. Let's do that. The borders are not colored for some reason. I don't want the sensor. I have no idea why we don't have any colors on this. But anyways, OLED screens are monochrome. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, that's why then. So we're just gonna use no colors, but that's fine probably. So rat motion. I'll use the nice borders from rat deck. 1 second, I need to copy it from here. I have some nice borders there, so why not use them, you know? Rat motion. Morse. Let's change that to rat Morse. Also, I want to change the UI of the rat Morse a little bit. I want to center the text there, so let me do that real quick. These should be centered. How do I do that? Alignment. Should align the lines itself, probably. Alignment. Center, would that work? Let's restart. Alignment. Come on. I should probably push a new line as well. Okay, that should be good. Let's try to flash it again. What is going on? Into. Let's just convert it. What? Wait, what? Okay. should have a better UI now. Hold the button for what? It doesn't even fit on the screen. Hold for dot or dash. Maybe I should not center it. It doesn't look good when I center the symbols, I think. But the titles are looking good, I think. What do you think? The title. Rat motion. Let's go. Hello, welcome to the stream. Let me fix the text. How did you make that border? It looks sick. It's just like some character, man. 1 second. I'll show you. It is just this. I'll actually paste the code. There you go. Hold for dot or das. We're still missing one character, so I'm gonna just use 4. Or maybe just do it like this. Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. Good. We have this little morse thing. We have the steps counter. I don't know how to make it like more accurate though. Should I spend some time on that or no? Not sure. Actually, would anyone be interested in contributing to this project? I might make it public, and if anyone wants to help me build this, I could just accept contributions. That would be cool. Better to make it more accurate. I'm thinking if I should rename the repository Rust Nation 2026. I don't know. I'll make it public. Maybe later I'll make it public. I'll think about it first because I need to find a name. Probably I don't want to put the name of the conference in the repository title, but yeah. Love your project, TechUnFX. Thank you. That's not my project actually. That's from Junk Dog. He's a legend. He built that animations library. It's amazing. But yeah, I love that project as well. So okay, let's try to fix the step counting. How do we do that now? Update steps. Bounce. Okay, so let me just save these changes first. Update steps. I'm thinking if I should move these compatibility stuff to another module, but for now I think I'll just leave them there. Okay, make more accurate calculation, 4 steps. Could you add the exact hardware you're using so that I know what to buy and test? Yeah. Yeah, ESP32 is kind of like, I'm also done with that a bit too, because I mean, it's just a pain. Yeah, I'll just link to everything, don't worry. Threshold. Let's try this one. Micromat. What? Yeah, I'm using Astra and Vim. How did you guess that? How do you know that just by looking at the editor? It's kind of impressive because usually people just ask me like, what are you using? And you just kind of like pinpointed it. Do we have Micromat in this though? Micromat? Nope, I don't have it. Okay, run cargo build. What are the pain points with ESP32? Also, which version recently bought ESP32 C3 for its Rust support? So, pain points, the IDF framework is painful as hell. It's slow to flash. What else? If you don't need Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, I wouldn't buy ESP32 these days. To be honest, these like RP boards are much better if you're building something small like this one. But I mean, my opinion might change any second because remember, I'm also pretty beginner in these stuff. So yeah. STD is kind of bloated, yeah. I was recently using LazyVim, just recently shifted to Astra and Vim. Do you like it more or less? What do you think about it? It's good to run into some other fella who's using Astra and Vim. That's great. So I have flashed this. Let's see if this is gonna make any difference in terms of steps counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's just like, I mean, it's not, yeah, I'll leave it like this actually. I'll just leave it like this. We could probably improve it later. Okay, so I can probably commit these stuff now. Okay, what is this? Okay, let's just check. Add rat kit with step counter. Okay, we have the step counter. What was the next thing that we're gonna build? What was the next thing? I'm experimenting a bit with Wi-Fi. Seems to work fine for the small app I'm doing. That's great to hear. I've never done Wi-Fi before on these boards. In terms of embedded systems, ESP32 is kind of the jack of all trades. There are better boards out there, but the ESP32 has everything, yeah, and cheap. LazyVim and AstraVim feel similar. Okay, I'm not missing out then. I think Astra and Vim is kind of slow, to be honest. It might be. So, okay, what was the other idea that we had, guys? Totally forget about that one. Wave 2. Wave 2, we gotta do that, man. We gotta just build a wave powered by Ratatouille. It's funny. Oh yeah, the microphone setup. Yeah, the Morse code translator. So Max, I think I have stashed something already about this. Mic support, yeah. So stash show 0. How do we do that? Git stash show something p0. Okay. No, this is the view. ADC sample. Okay, we could just try that one now. So I want to use a microphone as part of the Morse code app. I will just read basic samples and transform them into Morse code. Should I have two menus for that? One of them is for translating that, and the next one would be... But before that, I want to wire up Max 6... What was the microphone thing again? 4466, 4466, 666. And visualize data on a chart widget. Probably it was chart that I used. Ratatouille. The TUIs chart widget. What does stash do? It's just like just a temporary snapshot of your Git changes. Visualize data on order to use chart widget. So use ADC to read samples and show them on a third tab. I could just like use tabs as well, like the tab widget from Ratatouille. Yeah, it's like commit but temporary. Actually, it's not like commit. So let's say you did some things, but those turned out to be not very useful. So you will throw those changes away, but you don't want to do them. You don't want to throw them away because you don't know if they will be actually useful or not. So you just stash them or just save them in your somewhere in Git repo. You basically stash them, and if you need them one day, you could just bring them back. You did a lot of open source contributions. You have contributed to Arsenix as well. How do you manage to do all this? I'm genuinely impressed, man. Thank you. I pinned the message on chat. That's how I managed things. I don't know. I'm just like insane. It's because he is constantly grinding. Absolutely, it's because I'm grinding, and you can grind too. Just click the link in the description. Sorry, not description. Just click this link and you'll become like me instantly. Thanks for the explanation. No worries, man. And show them on a third menu tab. If you want, there is a prior art in, but as a part of Antui, I want you to use a Ratkit. I want you to implement in Ratkit project. Okay, there you go. So we just vibe coding. Hey man, long time no see. I am working when you stream. Is afternoon time usually? Good to see you. Been watching lots of reels about you lately. Thank you. Welcome, Thirsty Pooch. How are you doing? Like, how's life, man? You can just see mine. I'm just, I'm just doing these stuff basically. I am losing my mind with embedded stuff these days. But other than that, just vibing, man. How's everything with you? Oh my god, it just brought back all the steps counting stuff. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Run cargo build. Also, you might revert those step counter improvements for now. Work around the clock legacy code from Visual Fox migrated to C#. What's Visual Fox? Never heard of that one before. I only know the Visual Rat though. Okay. So what are the connections again? GPIO 26. Where's that? There's no 20. Okay, this one. So it's the third one from the bottom. Let me hook this up, guys. Visual Fox Pro is like old software. I need cables. I need cables, guys. Okay, I'm trying to see what I have. What I have is, okay, I'm not gonna make jokes here. What I have is some stuff. So let me hook up the voltage stuff first. Ground on VCC. I'll power it with 3.3 volts again. So, oh man, it's getting so busy. It's getting extremely busy now. Looks like a programming language. If you close your eyes hard enough, anything could be a programming language. But you know, there's only one superior language. You know which one. I'm not gonna tell which one. You already know. I totally forgot what the first one was. I think first one was ground. So ground. Yeah, the blue one. Oh my god, this is extremely crowded now. I mean, I cannot be the only one out there who's just ending up with these type of breadboards. Am I right? Just crazy now, man. Like, what? How am I gonna even? Okay, there you go. Okay, so blue is ground, right? Yeah. And the out is just gonna go to... It's gonna go to somewhere here. 26, so it's the third one. Okay, that's great. It's not, guys. What is going on here? This is probably on me, but your command, Alice, is sometimes send my brain into buffering mode. Yeah, it's not you, man. Everyone says that. I don't know which one you picked up, but yeah. I don't know what I've just run. It's probably CGB. Ratatouille in Ring 0. Oh man. Okay, guys, let's just give this a go now. Gonna just flash it. I haven't even checked the changes, to be honest. But we could just do it really quickly. Looks good to me, ship it. Just data sets. Rat mic. Rat mic is great, okay. I'll just SDC one. What is that diff program you're using? I think it was called Delta. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's see if it's actually gonna work. So, switching to menu. We have some stuff going on. Let me just hit the mic. Okay, nothing is going on. Is this actually reading samples? How do I check that? I'm making some noise, but there's actually a gain control in the back of this, so we could just try to tweak with that, you know? I will just tweak with that actually, so maybe that's the problem here. Where's my screwdriver? There's a little gain control. Test, come on, just work. When I hit it on the table, it kind of works, look. But the signal is too weak because it's probably 3.3 volts, that's why. Yeah, 3.3 volts, what do you expect? We could just try to do it like 5 volts. Because I know these sensors are like, they support 5 volts, so I'll just try 5 volts now. Fuck it. We're just burning this shit. We're just burning it. Let's try 5 volts. I think 5 volts will be better with this. Okay, so let's go. You have some kind of... We have more signal, as you can see, like we have a better signal. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not giving 5 volts to the display. Only the microphone module. I'm gonna turn off the gain. I mean, 3.3 volts was also okay. I'll just go with that. Also, I think I will just power this with 3.3 volts, so yeah. I mean, kind of works. It works actually. Like, what else do you want? What else do you want? It just works. If I hit the microphone, if I really hit it on the table. Come on. Yeah. I'm not sure how real time it is though. So the thing about this is I have some delay here. I'll just remove that. Yeah, I'll just remove the delay and I'll build this in the release mode. Probably will get better performance when we do that. Okay, let's flash the release mode. Is this still working? Something is going wrong here right now. Okay, it's not doing anything. What the hell? Okay, what the hell? Okay, now it's working. I need to make a really loud sound to test this out, probably. How can I do that? Should I just hit the table, guys? What should I do? Tone generator, let's try that one. Can somebody scream for me? Okay, it's not that shit all over. Thank you for screaming. Thank you, that worked. So I'll try to hit it like twice and just see when we are gonna see the sample. So try now. I mean, it's kind of real time, look. Okay, let's try to integrate the Morse code thing. integrate that into Morse code app now. So it will be something like Morse code button, Morse code mic, step counter, and that's it, I guess. Oh, and oops, that was wrong. Mic chart. Yeah. Let's try this. You could probably just integrate both of those apps so that when you press the button, it makes a sound and it reads the sound and just shows it as Morse code. How about that? Okay, it did something. Why is this diff taking forever? How do you detect the thing though? Oh, okay, just like some mic baseline stuff. Okay, build it. Let's flash it. Okay, so now one second, guys. Guys, I gotta go. There's something urgent, but I'll just check this thing. 1 second. So is this actually running now? Just join the grindhouse. Welcome. Welcome to the grind. So what is going on here right now? Morse button, Morse mic. I'm not sure this is. Yeah, I need to go in a second, but I gotta check something real quick. I don't think we have flashed this actually. It seems like the old firmware. Let me flash it again. Seems like it's not been flashed or something. Did it really integrate that into the menu? I don't know. But yeah, I need to go now, guys. There's something urgent came up, so I gotta just bounce. But yeah, I guess thanks for joining. It's been a little Sunday stream, little 2 hours just working on a bunch of stuff. I guess we basically worked on the accelerometer sensor and integrated the mic into. What did I do actually? I don't remember. We did some things. I'll probably work on the slideshow tool later, but I guess for now, take care, join the grind. So yeah, guys, thanks for hanging around. Salmons, take care, brother. Vaishnav, man, thanks for your insights on the stream. It was quite useful, especially the embedded bus stuff. So we'll see each other later then. Join the grind. I'm gonna paste the link again. Boom. Take care, everybody. Let's get that cheese. Goodbye.